Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most commercial brands of oatmeal milk can be heated just like any other non-dairy milk. The homemade version will thicken when heated, but I've found that adding the optional oil prevents it from thickening too much to use as a creamer or in an oat milk latte. 25 April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Most commercial oat milk is fortified with vitamins A, D, B2, and B12, as well as various minerals like calcium. Compared to other types of milk, oat milk generally has more calories, carbs, and fiber than almond, soy, or cow's milk while providing less protein than soy and dairy varieties. 24 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Oat milk is thicker and naturally sweeter than many non-dairy milks. Think somewhere between 2% and whole milk, but still light. It works well in everything from your morning coffee and cereal to most recipes, including soups, curries, mashed potatoes, and baked goods.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, oat milk causes upset stomach resulting from sugar and fiber not breaking down easily in your stomach. As such, you can experience bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. If you are intolerant or allergic to oats, you can experience other kinds of digestive problems such as vomiting, nausea, and severe stomach pain. 17 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.